we should have thrown a water bottle at him. Fucking the frozen ass Gatorade in my fucking car. What a little shit. Fucking throw a snowball at my goddamn car.
I know.
Pulling into my fucking driveway like I'm not gonna see you.
I know.
I'm 8 years old. What the fuck? Die. That was horrible. Fucking recording this shit. I'm gonna go to jail. Turn that shit around. If I was a kid, I'd shit my pants.
Shit. My pants. So we are at Friendly's. And I'm vlogging.
It smells like feet, burning feet with chocolate chips.
Look at these people around us. Look at these people. Is it illegal to video record people?
I think it might be. Everybody's wearing hats. My hat is cool. Everyone's wearing baseball hats.
This sucks.
There's a lot of weird people.
We're in a middle table. Like, what is this? Who's sitting there?
My good friend, no one.
He's so angry. He's so pissed. That's just gonna sit there.